Molweni, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are enjoying your Monday. Izini, so here is Washesha Gwala, the son of our new polygamy king, uBongi Nhlanhla Gwala. So yes, we can see ukubana hayi ngempela lijonga bethunana, like he is so handsome. He is handsome and he is taken. He is taken already. He's got a girlfriend and we've been seeing him posting intombi yakhe Nkosini okusho ukubana stay away from me, I am taken, this is mine and that's mine and mine and mine. But nevertheless, Abo Washesha, he is taken and he is fully armed. You bahamba bayigaxile ibhamu zabo, whether kuyiwa kephi kuyisemcimbini kukephi, ibhamu zisikhona emhlane. Guys, so after all, it's not that easy having money, and I'm sure Nakona being in the taxi industry, we know in South Africa taxi industry becomes very hectic. You need to protect yourself by all means at all time. I'm sure him also being the son of uBongi Nhlanhla Gwala, the taxi businessman, also that puts him in the firing line of Bana. He can easily be a target of the opposite side of their business. So yeah, we can see Nkosi yami akamuhle aka cute. Udanoni Nkosi yami, like nje, he's so handsome. I honestly cannot wait to know more about this family because they've caught my eye. I hope they are catching your eyes too. They've caught my eyes, like the wives nakuye na Ellen ubaba uGwala nje na yourself. We want to know more. We want to know more. Can they please be on our screen? We want to know more about them. We want to know more. We want to get to know them. Ubana sinjani esabo isithembu, because yes, we've seen Umnakwethu season 1 to 3 and we've seen Uthando Nesithembu. So I am really intrigued and interested. I would want to know Bana, how is theirs going? Bana having 4 beautiful wives and the kids and the taxi business. So nje, it's like it is so interesting. Like anyone would want to know more about. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Bana, what do you guys think about the Gwalas? Are they going to fully replace them Selekus? Are we going to forget about Abosne, Nabo Bubezi, like kungasekudala? Are we going to forget Bana they were on our screen? Because the Gwala family has catch all our attention. We want to know more about them. So here, yes, we see Lana Uwashesha, but they are living their life nje karinje bazithandela nje, living in the nature. You can see here he was even emlanjeni nje, showing ukubana hayi ngijwayele lento man, awukho nto etheni, like this doesn't scare me. So yeah, we're looking forward to seeing more and hearing more. Hopefully they will come on our screen very soon. Let's hope they will come on our screen very soon. Let's hope they'll be on Moja Love, Showmax or something, guys, so that we can get to know more about the Gwala family. Ubana, we can see like the first wife, the second, the third, and there's the fourth wife that looks much younger. So nje, it's like nje, oh, it's like overflowing of interesting things that you would like to know about a polygamy life, but they seem like they've got it together. They've got kind of all excited and all having the Makumalo vibe. I like the younger wife, the wife that is pregnant. She looks so vibey and she's giving Umakumalo vibes, like happy, and she's always posting, laughing, and including all the family members in her pictures and her stories and all her videos. So yeah, guys, yeah. I'm still waiting in the comments section for you guys to tell me, especially my KZN subscribers. Do you guys know them? Where are they from? Which part of KZN are they from? Where do they stay? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please do comment. Tell us more.